Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm Janine. Today's video is a VSG What I Eat in a Day video, and I am 4 years post-op from having VSG surgery. So I wanted to share some daily meals that help me stay on track and some of my favorite snacks. So I'm gonna start off today's video with my coffee. I have coffee every morning. Sometimes I have a few cups of coffee per day. But if I'm not going to Starbucks, then I like to just make my coffee at home. So I use the Starbucks iced coffee. I like the medium roast unsweetened. It only has about 15 calories per cup. And I always follow up with my Coffee Mate creamer. So you will have to let me know, what kind of creamer do you use in your coffee? I find that this one just tastes the best to me. I know a lot of people say that it has a lot of preservatives, but that's just what tastes good to me. And I also add Splenda, so that's how I like to drink my coffee. I know a lot of people don't really like artificial sweeteners. You can go ahead and just sweeten your coffee with whatever you like. I know a lot of people like stevia as a healthier alternative, but Splenda just tastes the best to me. Today I was being a little extra and I added some of this zero sugar Cool Whip on top. Like I said, just to be a little extra and make my coffee fancy. But let me know down below, how do you drink your coffee in the morning? I'd love to know. Up next, I am making some cranberry orange muffins for breakfast. I like to have muffins on hand just because it's a real easy kind of grab and go thing. And I have Jason here helping me mix up the mixture. So this mixture I picked up at Stop and Shop. It does have about 26 grams of sugar, I believe. But I make like 12 muffins out of it, so I just divide the calories and the sugar by however many muffins I make. And I will leave all of the nutrition facts down below, but there are healthier alternatives that you can find in stores. I really like the Kodiak brand as well, but for this day I was just really craving the orange flavor, so I picked up this specific mix. But there are different alternatives that you can have. And I know a lot of people are really scared to eat carbs after having weight loss surgery, but as long as you pair your carbs with fiber and make sure that you have fiber included with the carbs, then it is okay to have those carbs. And I also don't just eat the muffins for breakfast. I like to have it with some sort of source of protein. So I'll have it with like a Greek yogurt on the side as well. And speaking of Greek yogurt, here I'm having it for a snack. So again, I have the orange flavor. I've just been obsessed with orange flavor lately. I like to just switch it up. So I have some Kind granola, and I like to just mix up my Greek yogurt, and I also add my granola. I like the Dannon Light and Fit, that brand. It just tastes the best to me. It is low in sugar, it is low in calories, and it's just one of my favorite snacks. And I also wanted to show you some other snack options that I love to have. So these are the Built Bars. I got 2 different flavors here, and I picked everything up that you see here from Bariatric Pal's website. So I got some Built Bars. I got the cookies and cream flavor, which I am so excited to try this flavor. I've never tried this before, but I really like the salted caramel one. These bars only have 130 calories, 4 grams of sugar, and 17 grams of protein. So the macros on these are so good. I am so excited to try that cookies and cream one. And I also picked up a double chocolate one. I also got another bar here. This is the oatmeal cinnamon raisin bar, and it has a really nice yogurt coating on top, so I'll show you guys. This is a really good option if you want something soft, because these bars are also soft like the Built Bar, but this one tastes really, really good. And I also picked up the Rip Van waffles. So these only have 130 calories and only 3 grams of sugar. So this is a really nice option if you want something sweet. And these come in all different flavors. Here I picked up the chocolate brownie flavor, but they have like salted caramel and snickerdoodle. Another thing I love to get from Bariatric Pal's website are the pancake mixes. So these come in a box. You get 6 packets and they are single serve pancakes so that you can make pancakes in the morning for yourself, and they are also really high in protein. So not only does Bariatric Pal have everything that you see here, they have so many more things on their website that you can choose from. They do Bariatric Pal subscription boxes, they have protein snacks, protein chips, protein meals. I mean, everything that you need you can find over on Bariatric Pal's website. And if you use my code JMRN15, you can save 15% off of your entire order. And if you decide to order from Bariatric Pal and you use my code, thank you so much. I really do appreciate you supporting me and my son. And here is the oatmeal raisin bar. So as you see, it has this really nice yogurt coating on top, and it comes in a soft cookie, which is really nice. And here is the Rip Van waffle cookie. It has like 2 wafers and they are like chocolate cookies, and then it has a really nice filling on the inside. So I just wanted to show you all what it looks like in case you're wondering. And don't forget to use my code JMRN15 if you order off of Bariatric Pal. Another snack that I love are these Sargento balance breaks. I love that they're high in protein and they are already portioned out for you. This one here is my favorite flavor. However, they do come in a variety of different flavors. These have about 7 grams of protein and only 180 calories, so really healthy and easy snack. For dinner, I bought these burrito bowl kits at BJ's. You get 3 kits in here. It comes with everything that you need to make DIY burrito bowls, and I just love this idea. It comes with rice. I have my chicken here. So I'm making the chicken ones. I'm just dicing up the chicken. And anything like this where you have your protein, you have some fats, you have some carbs, that is right up my alley. I make a lot of chicken bowls like this with rice and veggies. I usually like to add peppers or corn. For tonight, I didn't add anything to this bowl, and that's just because I was running low on veggies and I had to get to the store. But like I said, I like to add onions and peppers. Any veggies you like, you can add to these bowls. And you also don't need to buy these kits to make these bowls. I bought the kits because I just wanted to switch up the flavor, but you can make these on your own and season them however you like. And you can also put rice in them, or if you don't want to add rice, you don't have to. You can make them with tortillas. So it's just really versatile, and this is one of the staples that I have in my diet weekly. You'll have to let me know down in the comments what your staple meals are, because I really love to get fresh new ideas. And make sure while you're watching today that you give this video a thumbs up and that you are also subscribed to my channel.
Hey, this might come out as total madness, but just wait. I really need to tell you something.
Another great lunch or dinner idea are stuffed peppers. Here I have some lean ground beef. This is the 93% lean one. So I am just browning that on the stovetop. And I have some green peppers. You can also choose any color peppers that you like, but I like the green ones because they are sweet. And I'm also going to be having some rice on the side of these peppers. So I found this cilantro lime rice at Target. So I'm just going to add that on the side. You can also cook the rice and add it to the beef mixture and stuff the peppers with that. You can do it however you like. So I'm just finishing up browning up the ground beef, and then I'm going to cut the peppers and I'm going to slice them in half, so you will get 4 servings.
Think you're gonna be rejected. Just say you're in love, 'cause so am I. So am I. Say that you are. So am I. Say that you love me. So am I.
And I'm gonna season the ground beef with some taco seasoning, and I'm also going to add some cheddar cheese on top before I bake them.
Together you're afraid to hold my hand, trying to understand. What if this doesn't go as planned? So you don't know what it means to be loyal and kind. I know that you're not blind. Tell me what is really on your mind. You know you're already accepted. To me you're always picture perfect. You think you're gonna be rejected. Just say you're in love, 'cause so am I. So am I. Say that you are. So am I. Say that you love me. So am I. Say that you are. So am I. Say that you love me. I see them pulling your strings, and you might be seeing things. Yeah. You know I'm real and I'm here. Who cares in a few years? You know you're already accepted. To me you're always picture perfect.
I'm also heating up some of this Green Giant Simply Steamed corn. I love these because they are just so easy to put in the microwave, and it just makes such an easy side. So here is how these stuffed peppers came out. Everything came out so good. Thank you all so much for watching today's video. I really appreciate it. And be sure to let me know if you liked today's video. I know I did a lot of voiceovers and chit-chatting, but let me know how you like it. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!